you know wetin dey worry you, so you know, but you no want tell people. They say im papa no ogbenu, while im mama na very
Okay.
great native doctor for their village. Say people dey
Okay.
fear them because if you talk too much, you no go see yourself the next day.
God forbid.
And they say im papa and mama don, and the guy dey Europe, im papa and mama die.
He said the bag.
And I be senior son. I be senior son.
He said they even bury him for a bag.
Yes, now.
Say
And I be senior son.
I be the same.
Not be fault or module or module.
Like wow, you don't go all that 00 hours.
The guy deportation not even pay me reach my one of our neighbor where
Now
they
one
deport.
useless guy best friend wey they call no more sorrow, but that one still tell am that time. You know they
Day before yesterday, no more sorrow carry Bible with Psalm 23. They use the praise, say, Auslander and the judge when hold the case, may fire go catch them.
Una no go. Emeka,
wait, even
No,
this guy,
the person they tell him to go say wait.
No more sorrow, no sleep. As
Go say,
since when they carry the boy, go, no more sorrow, no sleep. We can't do night video with Bible, Psalm 23.
Go just drop the boy. If they want correct him.
wait.
Go say boy.
Emeka, I want to tell you something. Una godmother, una no go advise that one. No?
no, he say he want go Milan, he want go Italy every day. He said that Milan carry 5 children.
They go beat her entire side tree, may no worry. This is not the way they take the shot. They'll beat her entire flat.
What's this guy will turn some oily money. Go just give live video. Go cost people.
Not be your guy. Why not be all of Naga that did jail that smart? Not be smart.
I know
Not be all
that
of
person they
Naga
carry
that
Bible,
did
they
jail.
speak it on, for Kati. They will use Bible, your matiti kwa, they worry Kati. They do.
Wait, smart. Where Matiti kwa?
Matiti kwa they Italy, that they did before time go Italy.
No, because the time we take call me saying in Nigeria, he
But
come.
no easy for the Germany.
He write me one day. He say in Nigeria, make I send that money. Now say you will buy ticket go Nigeria.
Go
You correct me for.
to visit.
50 days Germany na smart.
Go to visit now.
Smart day now. Smart the pack and
Bro, I don't
smart
get me.
Pakali.
He never tell when me
I
and
did jam now. Not be me and you that day.
he don't tell when me and
We see that day now.
But smart if you don't say they don't give you to the wash your back oh.
After what you they talk, me we don't get that clear. They play.
Eriga,
Congratulations. Alpha.
this guy, he say he come 2018, but why he not qualify for this new law?
Oga not be the say 218 come, not be everybody they qualify. Not be the say 218
oh,
me
my
come.
brother, if you even qualify, they must check your.
But you don't come up before they bring the new law now.
I did when they
See,
bring down. I did there.
Emeka, may I tell you, and you say that guy, after they give him 200, you know, say he pass go that back for you best bet, go they do it too. Other ground, where they put and cut the other ground, see me that that's a live on. Now they you they do it, they do what, you know, to the music, they disturb them. Not be smart you. Now that other ground,
Yes, he and the roommate that now. You
they
dey
can't
tell
get
me.
issue.
I want to
This
play
story
one video where you say him and
That's where they use sub braid and hammer too.
I want to show you. I
Why
want
not
to show
come
you
back and go
one video.
Nigeria?
Wait, where him and Sheffin, they tell and say the music too loud. If they follow that one, they quarrel. That
Yeah,
one.
this guy where they deport.
Wait now.
Yes now.
The guy na problem person.
You
Oh.
go come they tell the
He
woman.
and the roommate that the matter even be dey court. The matter go court. He and the
Yeah, see the
roommate
video.
that.
I want play the video when I was here.
And people, a lot of
You
people
say-
when
say-
want
say-
to
say
donate
That one not all about this social
I
and
did
like no more.
I did you to now. I did you.
Exactly no more sort of character.
just say this guy.
That one 1.5 million yesterday now. At least that one go reach and put that sequoia can pay.
No, let the old one go get first. Old one. The old one. No, you see people? Two new gas soldiers.
Please come with
No, I'm not coming. No, I'm not coming. No, you provoke me. I'm not coming. I'm not coming.
When large house are coming yes, so they come yes.
I shut up. I'm not coming. You provoke me.
Please make the music lighter.
No?
Please
So the music is loud.
loud.
This guy know well. No.
No. I'm provoked. No, this man is.
That's be like crayfish.
I don't want to talk. No, I'm not talking. No.
Alpha, the great, they hear from Masalati.
He needs to rest.
No, I never hear from Masalati again. Only Daniel I see online one time. Oh,
You see?
Yeah, me and Daniel they talk. Get down your number. Get down your number.
But Daniel like Madina, Daniel know they hear
I
from him
really
again.
know this since here.
Huh?
Daniel dey you now. Daniel na family man. Now.
Yeah, massacre no more. But
Yeah, but where Masalati come dey now?
My brother, me I know you know. The last time I see him for one of my guy picture, my guy post am for TikTok. The guy that snap. I ask my guy say he play Contorino. Now they see snap together.
Okay. What of for Saro? Saro don't come out from school.
That one just see that one. This man had the same problem. They are too big.
Like a bad man, though.
No, if to say na Jamli here that one for this guy reach Bongo.
But wetin your bro? No for that was alone. Wetin really do if you see that boy na fair boy. He just carry, just start to dey behave like person wey dey craze. Osaro one fine boy, fine young boy.
wait, I want you now one guy. When I go know that one, they don't see carry and go now.
Who Jerry
You
never
connect Ogbonna
deport?
na me Ogbonna go pick am.
Na Ogbonna dey pick people wey dey deport.
No,
You go dey get
like
benefit
say
now.
he has dey near airport.
Na one room self
How this guy take no say? How? Wait, I want ask una question. How Ogbonna take no say they deport this guy?
Na him call am na
You
him
know
call
say
Ogbonna.
the day when the
Come
boy
on, for
dey
airport now, they
deportation
find
camp,
rescue
the boy dey deportation camp on Tuesday. The boy call dey make live video say in dey deportation camp o. Shebi una dey
Watch
see
am.
train, una dey hear train sound.
Say go break
So,
record.
Saying go break record. Say on Wednesday the flight won't move. You be like say now Ogbonna say he get the particular place people when they deport. He get where they carry them. They
Before and that year.
so now Ogbonna Kukuma go wait for that place.
This one dey
I
up
know
and
this-
now. This one dey up.
I don't know this guy.
I
Why
know.
no? I know am now. He dey up and now. This one cause he dey craze before they deport am.
Jesus.
This one cause
Now
the,
the-
this one has this one has kill himself.
As he reach Nigeria, the craze just come up for your eyes.
The listening, he get 2 years. He come Italy. He come Italy. He say na shoro that they do. Na the same shoro he still do. Take gather ticket
Person wey
for
be
him
say,
come back to Germany.
man tell you, guy, person wey be say that increase go carry, go just from Germany, you enter free train, just they go Switzerland. Switzerland go hold and they put am for prison like 2 months. They go release am from there, continue again with no ticket, go Italy. He still come back to Germany with no ticket.
Yes,
That
now.
guy buy ticket too. This guy wey I show you where they carry go.
The truth of the matter. The truth of the matter be say this Europe of 18, you get people when Europe not fit again. When be say they need to go back home, if they go home, they go dey okay. Not be everybody deserve Europe.
How you thought like that? How you thought like that? Why you thought now? Why you say German money need to go back to Nigeria? Make
Guy,
go
German money, that one na in family juju they disturb him. He need to go back home. Even though say that
Yeah.
German money dey here 100 years, you no go make am.
You not go make
Exactly.
am. You not go make am. Yeah. The best one is this now. You see, man, I tell you, more na no dey pity for am more. But only pity one I go pity for am na to donate money give am. If you go fit use
Which is you go start.
See,
Make am
I
start
no want just
now.
I no want just contribute put for that guy matter. If na me be that man, that guy, may him just go home, go learn native doctor. Na native doctor, na him just fit am.
you know say, man, I tell you know say some
I swear,
calling.
na native doctor be in calling.
As in papa be na him mama be that native doctor we don't buy. So maybe na the calling, na the guy your guess. So na him be waiting the worry am so now.
Na wetin dey worry am, na him calling be that.
Yeah. Na true.
Person wey talk say this one say which kind talk.
And if that guy go do native doctor, that guy go make am o.
See, what's the way that I get a chance? Eye goes na blood. See, on the normal note, that guy not be fault. Some kind thing dey inside their family, make them need to check. And they need to
Exactly.
check inside.
My brother, mostly
not
senior
because
son,
of
senior son there, that they get this, that they get challenges well.
Even with first daughter, they don't get challenge.
wait. The great. Me, I want tell you one thing. Now me and you dey here. Before me go Germany, do not know the story for Italy that year. Baba, I respect to agree to you. Not be una house I come this thing before me go Germany.
Yeah, I know everything now.
I say that time, now God, if to say in life and sometimes if some kind of challenges come now the way you take overcome that challenges, now no go take way you down. I say that period, if not be God will save me, maybe my enemy for sack. Yeah,
But my brother, that time Italy had shout. Not be now when they shout say Italy good, Italy good, Italy good.
bro, that time I'll go Charlotte. That time when me they tell you, so I'll go Charlotte. 3 euro, 4 euro. Now they see how they clear. How they might say
Even inside the Shoro said they go stick on the fight to say, "Let me get this apostle."
they listening, so I go dey cry. I say I been na because I call Nigeria and a person where I go send 20 euro, carry the money go native doctor. See, my sister, this one not be joking. I dey tell you the refer. This guy pay na their house. I lose my house. Can you imagine? They know my house. When I do my birthday 217, when I do my birthday, ask them now they come my birthday.
Even when you do your girlfriend own a blessing that year.
Yes, now. When I think to that 217, when I lose my house, I can't sleep streets. Now their house, I can't sleep that time. Their house. You know it be so far. Me, as then
Challenge.
but I just tell God, say no, this thing not go weigh me down. I better just try my best, do everything before God can make me bounce back. Then you can't tell me say, then God give me second chance, I'll come mislead. No.
You know, say Liga, when I don't know, not be some guys will be sad. I don't know their real name. If I tell you a lot of guys will be say,
Alalo, they don't deport Alalo now.
when we say they don't
Not
remove
Alalo.
for this, when we say they don't remove
Alalo,
for
but
this,
Alalo,
Deportation are real for Germany, sha. Deportation are
When they
real.
deport
Now when he never
Alalo
meet,
was-
now when he never meet you know you go to say na fake news. You go to say na
Alalo
AI.
now. God
One
will
thing
save
about-
Alalo. See,
one thing
everywhere
about
good for Alalo.
the great, one thing about Germany now, they can't notice say that date will be say they put. People can't they notice that date. And they stop,
Exactly.
they stop to they put that date now.
For
Until
even Nigeria, oh now they know they put the destination again. You know, say normally before they put date, put where they want for carry them. Now they know they put them again.
yeah, they only put them again because they don't say if they put them, a lot of people go run. So
When
Yeah.
they
them again.
now 2022 they deport Alalo now. When they deport Alalo reach Nigeria, God, that one everywhere you steal from and you reach out. The guy also pay small money we get. You do visa, you enter Turkey.
Wait,
I be Turkey.
I want to this guy name.
The thing,
You know
The thing
Alalo
of
wey
it
draw
is-
tattoo for him hand. If they follow us, they waka that time get dread.
no, Deutschland.
You know now.
Deutschland na real.
That country, una wait the great, una wait they bless. Una the thank God.
My brother, na
Una
God.
you the thank God.
Na God do am, sha. I no go lie you. Na God do am
If na
for.
if listen,
My brother, Germany can still bless
if juju
still revoke that
about
bill.
the-
Put your hand clean. Finish. Because you get one guy where they
oga,
give
just-
that
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 baba
guy come
that baba wey do am for you, just dey bless that baba every month o.
that one come go
dey
club.
use that
Na Baba
baba.
God, bro. No be native doctor, no be anybody. Na God.
Shut up, you dey say na God. You dey say no one tell you say na God. You say we not.
If they just deport person reach Naija, the first thing where you go first see na car.
Brown zinc. You go to see brown zinc everywhere.
Ko pure water here, lacasera here, buy your gala.
You go say, na me dey here. Oh God.
You know, wait, you know see a German money. He reach Nigeria instantly small. He just small.
Erika, your mouth
Erika,
dey
don't let
wey
me
you
swear
get
for
for
you this
F-
evening.
the mouth wey you get for FFB, you never still change am.
Erica, not
It's
be lie.
small instantly.
See, we told the truth here. People will tell first after broken. Money when they don't deport, they don't too much. See that they deport Kennedy, they deport Jessica. God, I beg go.
Kennedy no born na house there for the that one that Kennedy yo when you do your party that day. No be Kennedy dey tell me for phone say na we get shame. Na we get shame. Na we get shame. The deporter now he reach Nigeria now. He
That Kennedy,
come
that
talk
one,
to
that guy will be saying they too they beg up and down that year.
Erika, what a blessing. He don't bagger.
me no even know where that one come dey my brother. Me no even know that people like that dey exist sef. See wetin you dey read dey come. Me no even know that person like that dey this life again.
You know, see, is who don't get Holland paper. Oh.
Yes,
Me
my
go like
Is who travel come Italy this month now? Been a
We happy for anybody wey come out good. Who still dey bless am good. But if you dey there, you get dundun. Na others comot.
Yeah,
Then your placenta no dey the
see,
country. Carry your
once
bag.
family don't give you dundu, they know
If
they
they
come out
bless
that dundu again until you do wetin go make them come out am. So once they give you that dundu and you know say you no go fit do wetin go make them come out, and the best thing just come out for the country for them. Dundu not be better, not be good thing, no.
They give Abo Dundum, give no Mosoro Dundum. They still there.
but that name what we say they give
And the
that.
people now they tell them say na lie they born.
But
They
I think
born.
say no more sorrow children get document you.
My brother, all of them, even bread pepper, they not get self.
Jesus.
People.
Labe where they inside bread, they not get.
The wife no get.
But we this one.
Wait. You dey tell me say Abu no get paper?
Not get. I did lie for you.
You know, they no put themselves flat. They'll throw am from Germany.
So now be say na package in all of them dey.
My brother, na frustration with this inside that family. I make that man no more sorrow. You go see him for gambush, or you go see him some small time. You don't see him for 3 seconds. What you say they?
Na Munich they
Small time,
dey.
you don't see him. You don't carry ogogoro. Small time, you don't see him. You don't carry egg. You dey break egg. Tell me, person
So
go
go
buy.
Bible, no one when you know they carry. I say yesterday night, I see am when they carry Bible, they read Psalm 23, they shout, "Oh God, that judge went home, my document, left fire catch yans. Oh God, that houselander when say you no want use I see me, fire burn am."
Wait. One question wey me wan ask. Na only Germany be country wey dey you. They don't bless you. They shout to God. You know
Na
what
the
that.
money
See,
now.
man, tell you one thing. See, man, tell you
Some
one
of
thing.
them
In
get no
Germany,
brain. They know sabi they do movement. You understand?
Baba, see, in life, they say travel is part of education.
Yeah.
This Germany, God just say we go Germany.
Wait, you know this guy.
We will
Erika?
just
You know
know
this
each
guy, Erika?
other.
You know this guy. I want to show you this guy now. You go know I'm that year now. They deport him on the June year. Wait, I think.
The case I look, wow, Germany, you're the deport.
Jesus. I know I'm
This
not.
guy, why not this Yoruba man?
Yeah, they deport him on the June. Yeah, Alaji.
Jesus,
You don't know.
He can't change. He can't.
Why Munich they deport like this?
he lack conky bars. He lack all those conky bars. He go the carry count take the family one for black conky cigar.
Exactly.
One on the
Hey,
June. What? Oh my
Erika,
God.
you know everybody well.
Erika na worldwide now.
So then they brought this man. Ah, yeah.
And I
Why
said,
come here?
this guy, this man where they deport. I even see him last year for us 51.
Yes,
Yeah,
now for that house, it's one now they for carry him. He won't go the new paper. And the guy they work, if they work, he don't work for 5 years, they never stop and work. Because he won't go the new. Now my best friend, I mean, and this guy got from all the way from Libya, jump enter Italy, from
Wait,
Italy, come to
from
Senegal.
house 51 they carry him.
Yes, now it's one they take carry him now.
Now that deportation carry German money now. German money go renew now.
That's what
Now they do now.
And me, I they go
That-
there next year, self.
What I show? Okay.
Germany.
Don't finish people with different stuff Facebook, people with different stuff Facebook, different news. Sometimes they could cry for
Go Marito. You know, see,
conversation.
you get one Marito. You get one Marito now we dey my city here. You get one Marito now we you dey my city here. Na FFB Fede. He get don't even see me. I see me shout. Erika, now here you dey. I say yes, Afana. See my brother. Those people now useless people. He only come, so he never reach 1 month when he come. Jabba money still dey with 10 years the phone, years the puppy. I dey look at the laugh, may not calm down. If money finish, you go know see the Italy, he come.
The way where Germany they deport people. You know
But
that
you say, Matt, one thing about Germany, if Germany accommodate everybody, like they say they know they deport, my brother, nobody go to Italy, nobody go to France, nobody go this. Like everybody must be Germany, and Germany go full.
My brother, Germany they
Why you talking?
Germany they accommodate just that they don't want black people for their country. They don't want mixture. Now where black people they mostly where Nigeria and Ghana they get power.
Brother, cause this country they
For
deport
the first time, say, me, I not like that country.
a lot of people. It's not only about Nigerians.
Even if say me here now say Germany they share 30 years documents, so put like 50 billion euro join am. Then the mean no dey comot.
Any guy must come. Oh.
I live in that way before you first come. Waiting carry you come. No be that draw money. I carry you come. Now you come here.
Bros, you're in your time apart say, bro, I not come because of when I come, thank God say I work. I not come because of my business say I not get work for Italy. Bro, me I not be lazy youth. We are from Bongo. With all the oxo they come. With all the oxo since we did 10. Me all this street, bros, not be today. Even school where we go for our cheap polytechnics, we also take pay school fees for school. We don't also where. So not because of say I want come country. Bro, I reach living house. I dey tell you 2019, July 31st. Now I reach my living house. July. As they pay me that on the 30th. No, they can't pay me on the 1st of August. I always stay August, September, October now start work. That's in 2019. That's in 2019. I come the October now start work. Bro, me I not be person wey lazy. So I not be because of money I come. I just say me if to say work dey Italy that time say I get work when I dey do baba. I no come out. Which I want.
Bro, this the way you talk now confirm because all of us now we do here. Before we come out now, come they enter Europe. You understand? Nobody know anything about Adoro, whatever, you understand? They pay money.
Yes, nah.
You come here to hustle now, you understand?
Bro, you know we are made for the broken guy. You know
Say that time social media. You know say that time social media never dey rampant like
yes,
all those TikTok and co never come out. No only Facebook.
You know also what we don't do. If I measure hotel for you for Benin, we made for that work. You notice what we don't do. Yeah, this is not today.
Instead of you go see yourself for Italy and for Nigeria, you better see yourself for Switzerland or Italy or another country.
Switzerland worst.
The Switzerland not say good, not be
Switzerland worst.
Not be Switzerland. Not be Switzerland deport kerosene. I be Austria kerosene.
See, Unati say those one. See, I want to let you know. You see that deportation when Germany they deport. Not be only people when they Germany that they deport. Then they go pick for Switzerland. They go they pick for Holland. Go they pick for Austria. They will come join all of them together. They use that charter deportation.
Yeah.
They get one of our guy that what they call Jessica. That guy for FM we say if he call Jesus Christ, he go tell you say God punish him. We know
na leader. You say leader. Call him.
You know say man, how they take deport that guy? You know say na Spain if he come. No, na Germany if he dey that time with us. He can't let her come Spain. After he come Spain, be like saying go do streets. So Spain can't carry and go prison. After 1 year, they can't carry the guy come back to Germany airport for Munich. That day when we say the guy they land, the next day they put him for flight. They deport him.
No be Chigozie you dey Chimezie.
No be Chimezie. One Jessica, now you go know that Jessica where they sell it there now for FFB. When we say if he call
yes, my bros, not be lie now.
We go tell you say go punish him.
Not be lie.
Person wey I know leader that time na for na Chimezie they call leader that time where something do for us.
No. You know just no say that Chimezie first start the business. After Chimezie they transfer him, they can't give him this guy now. So after this guy come out. They can't give him another.
Brother, no good night.
Yes. I know the guy. The guy na still Igbo guy is short.
Yeah, the Baba Abolo.
Yes.
Yeah, the Baba Abolo. They don't deport a long time now. 2023. Yeah.
Jesus.
Brother, none of us.
See, Olivia. You know how many people they don't deport where you know now. Where you be say if you see their picture you go know them, but you know say they don't deport them. You know what I mean?
Even that one, the day when they deport, you go they call me for phone. You go tell me say on that bridge now a day now. You know expect this deportation. No say na my village person child. No be say na for Germany for know each other. I first send them the first morning. You know if all these 2 more they will come and say on that bridge now a day now they sleep. You know get they show me one and na true na that place the guy they sleep. Oh, he can't they show me in clothes and in things. if
Okay, what of Emeka?
if they
You get
deport
one guy where I want to ask you. That fair guy for FFB that time, that Igbo fair guy where they call no.
Onono.
Yeah.
Onono no dey again. You know say they find Onono. I think they find and come 2 times for in place. He run. Onono dey Berlin now. He dey Berlin. But you know they they fight for my place so outside. Wait. They come. They fight.
Go let them have bottle for your head, though.
Make you see me they
Now you
fight.
go. Not black.
Yeah.
Banyaya Gitare, okay. Police come there.
Police never come. They carry knife.
And they see rope.
Carry knife. Carry bet. Oh boy. Yeah. Leave on the sofa.
Guy, that's you go with that.
In there upstairs.
Now who get power? Now who get power? The fight now.
My guy, don't come inside. Yes, sir. Wetin concern me?
Now who get power? The fight. As you did now, they might drink. You know,
You see your people. Your people they fight.
No open door at all, no. You dey hear me? If anything happen now, police come, they see you for window, you be witness automatically. No open window again.
No more sorrow, you know they listen. No more sorrow, no get here.
My brother, you know crowd where they are
No,
not
so
only
they
big,
fight
they
for
will come
banner.
for same
You will
man.
suffer.
No, they ask you. Get one incident where they experienced something like that. Arabu was fighting for road, you understand? I did window. One kill somebody, one kill the other one with knife, Syrian people. As they come, I did window. Everybody from the whole building, they seize us, they lock us like 10 or 11 hours inside garage. Everybody have to make his witness, you understand?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't enter inside. Maybe they fight for their thing concern me.
Okay, if you dey both time one time, me they follow up, my guy.
I lost
But
my
it's in the apple.
Yeah, Emeka, you dey tell me about that guy, that fair guy where they call no. So
No, I don't say no. They find and come first one. They carry and go deportation camp. After they carry and go deportation camp, people like say they deport, they can't cancel them, they can't release them from that deport. The guy still come back again, still there he has. So they find and come the second one. Now you know say everywhere don't rugged. Now he run. The guy the day Berlin now, he did Berlin, but they under asylum again. He just did there. They get one work, no, they do that time. What would they for FFB? Where they come out, that black work, where they go, they do that time.
Yeah.
So now the work, now he go back, now go they do.
Now so one guy see be for our house that time. The guy they find out come first time, they carry and they go deportation camp, they cancel the deportation. Second one again, 2 times they go deportation, they can't go again, they can't cancel one. The third time when they find out come, God will save one. He did the next room, and they find out come, in did the next room. A roommate called his house. Wait, they can't ask a roommate say when the roommate called they say he not the house. Now that one come write a message, say may not come out to the final come. Those police wait for at least 40 minutes, they not see they call come out. As you see the friend, they not say anything, he come on go Spain. They spend 2 years for Spain. I don't know which he push on come Italy again, call Italy again after 2 years. He can't go start again. The call can go start. Now I go start there for go remove him.
For Germany.
Yes, now they won't go now.
The guy know well.
Say now people when they come back to Germany now people when they lazy. I'm telling you, people when no get energy to because all those pay in Italy now work. Government is not there to support you.
No work, you go cry. Can't tell me you no work, you go cry, big cry.
Yeah. But they not say for Germany, even they work, they no work. Government must support them.
Yeah.
So they must do one or two ways
As I
to.
can't no go help me parent. I can't wait me make government call parent. You go cry, big cry. You know that time you know it.
Remember, for a minute there, I think you say house 51. I think that one is the house where they want to increase the spaces because they have meeting there is some few weeks ago. Is it close to Is it Munich Papi? That one.
Yeah, it's still close to like from Banoff.
That one. Because I don't
Yeah,
see,
from
for that
Banoff is
Munich,
like from Banoff is not up to
why
20
they
minutes.
they
I
high
think
for
it's not
Munich
up to
because
20 minutes.
any person where want enter this upper side of Europe, you must pass whether na Baden-Württemberg where I dey or Bayern. You understand? There's no other road. You must pass Munich or you must pass Karlsruhe. You understand these two places? So most of people where pass Munich, they go remain for that side. They hardly push them out from that side because they are doing these things since decades. You know, they get that accommodations already.
Yeah.
So the rate of deportation is higher because the accommodation of people who seek asylum there is also much more higher than in other places. Like here for where I did, they also deport a lot of people. Some escape, some no escape, some they carry them. We have one group of Benin guys for our side here. Now these guys they do countries, they do a lot of shit here. So all of them have criminal record. Yeah, all of them come jackpot with their wife to France. Two of them always they go France, they come back Germany because they won't collect that €200. You understand? They go back France, they come back Germany.
Yeah.
One of them has not entered Germany. They carry him, they deport him. They was waiting for him, you understand, to collect the money. Then from there they deport him. But that guy too, they get the record. He get the record for Germany because he beat the train people. Then they grape one 13-year-old Benin girl where they also for our camp here. They make a group graping. 5 guys, they knock this girl. You understand? Then that's the second record. Then the third record now for France because the woman where he born child with, as they go France, the woman come carry one girl from Nigeria come. And they send this girl to Hazel. So this girl later escape and tell police say that they force him to Hazel, you understand? So they arrest the woman. Now he make the guy come back Germany self, they hide for here. So as they want collect the money, they catch him. They don't even put him for prison.
Okay,
Now straight deportation. No prison, straight deportation. You know now Germany, if they get way to deport you, they don't go even give you case. A lot of people now, they say they still get a case for court, but they are deporting them, you understand? Because Germany, they no one wait again. Make the 100
Baby Uko, it's better, like that one we talk so, it's better make the deport them than they go put them for prison. If you go put you for prison now, you can't go chop how many years, you come back, now, person feel you come, they make, come be like zombie. Better make the deport them. Go a country, go start all over again.
If person go German prison, I think say you go to walk inside there.
Yeah, German prison, no be wahala like that, believe me.
Yeah, you go they walk now how much now? You go walk the way wait now. I tell you, Olivia, you go walk the way people say they walk for inside that place, but they go they pay you €1.15 per hour.
Hey, my God, go prison for Italy, go prison for Turkey, go prison
per hour. Now they pay for inside.
German prison is like hotel, you understand? German prison, the only thing to say, you know, if you go out from there, but you feel buy cigarette, you feel rent TV.
Prison, nobody they pay.
Yeah, you go buy everything where you want. That place be like another world, understand? It be like another church. Church dey inside that place. Everything dey inside. Church dey inside the place. So on Sunday, if you want go church, you go. If you want go gym, if you want play football on Sunday, they will carry JC come. They will carry football come. Who want go play, go play. Who no want play?
Brother, you know what to be freedom, nothing like freedom.
One bottle there, yeah.
Yeah. what I talk now, but compared to other countries, German prison is
freedom, nothing like freedom.
but believe me, it get
Even if say I dey
wetin you
chop
dey do.
turkey, even if say I dey chop turkey and fried rice for them, I prefer my dey chop garri for freedom life. You know wetin be freedom?
Yeah, but it is, you are not going in the street and start committing crime for you to end up in prison, right?
One bottle know the guy. One bottle, say you know say they don't carry your guy, might go.
Still be one bottle again.
Oh, poor man.
He don't go live with his own account. Oh. See
Where
as
be last?
Jabba money. Don't say as the guy come in now.
Wait, instead dey bonus.
Still don't go in the house now.
What you dey do now?
I want to move on.
Why?
But Emeka,
Say I don't go live. So see where they like so man.
Why your face come burn?
me.
Nigeria son don chop on now. You think say Nigeria son na your
You know son wey dey Nigeria now na electric.
Me Morocco.
Cream no dey.
Anybody wey dey deport,
Nah,
baby uncle. Anybody wey dey deport, their color dey always change. I don't know why.
Superstar dey kwokwo nwere chọrọ ka o kele ya.
but Olivia, not
Grace, na me go.
it's like most of people wear to the wrap cream, you understand, because your skin gets sensitive. So if this heat,
I'll be in there here.
Yeah.
I'll be in there.
I want to use carry wear to get this carry go suffer. Me no worry.
It's a joke. Oh.
Guy, konya onye nwolu poor man na ada here.
Na Eriga na.
Eriga, poor man. Oh, poor man.
I not go blame you. They doesn't give you spaghetti chop for camp. I not talking here.
Lele yara. Obele.
Onyara gbe.
I follow na do camp issue.
Is you not know this man wey dey deport?
Onya dey am.
Na ezu uncle na esi na ezu
But Emeka, this deportation from Munich, I
Don't case no dey ever self. Me I not even check on herself.
Baby, what is it?
I said that
you never sabi greet you don't come like video. You no fit say bros good evening.
I announced some 2 weeks before.
Eriga, I come Italy.
Okay,
you say you bad me for Italy. I come Italy. I don't see you. I even do video.
When you come for Italy, they follow you. Where you come for Italy?
Okay, where I come, what kidnap me?
You say you come Italy.
We come Italy, true. We come Italy inside this month.
I don't move. I don't come out.
Which side you
Emeka?
come for Italy?
Chimoize na him deport himself now.
No be she may say deport himself. Na them can carry and deport.
You may say nguda.
You know one thing about him. No, ma tell you how they take
But
deport.
Chimoize say him don't get paper now that year.
No, you give her paper. That one will be say every time you go. They check.
Jama money not tell you saying get people. Jama money not tell you.
When they see that some guys don't get their
Deportation
own.
no be anything. Anybody where they deport Nigeria.
Because you know that people where get document to the oppressed people where no get document. So sometimes the ones where no get document, but they come the same time. They go say they get document, but they don't.
You know good now. Why person go dey lie?
Ademo, see the way they take deport Chimeze. If I go, they disturb them, say, may they deport them because they never give and work. May understand? You see, they come, they collect money. Every time you go, they disturb them, say, may they give them, may they deport them. So after they can't let her give and work, may they work. I come balance well. Now you don't need to deport again. You don't come go later, they go to disturb them again, may they deport them. He don't do the work like 4 months or 5 months. One day you come back from work, they just one knock. They carry up.
Wetin come tell them when they carry am?
If you tell me those people, may they deport you like now you surrender by yourself. They will give you better money than now they can carry you by themselves.
If to say this German money,
Be like this kind of thing don't happen to one of our brothers for France. And he go to that place, so say he want to deport himself. They can't give down house. Last now you can't get work or you can't dey work. Before you know it, all those people carry him from that house, go Naija.
If to say German money go meet them, make them deport am. If for still good, they forgive us small thing.
If I not come, like all the
I
sharp.
said that they give them 3,000
Person
euros.
we say he get German passport. Nice. Nice.
Guy, bro, guy who did Nigeria, who the Nigeria better pass. Which one
And
be?
make you go. Why you not go Nigeria?
Where be Germany guy?
The man is who?
You know we
Why
are
you
this.
not-
You know we are this, so they follow you. They talk.
Okay,
Very
keep quiet.
girl. Now, person like Izu, if they deport them from Germany, go Nigeria, Izu go still enter that desert.
Are
I
they?
won't know.
Many people they enter now.
Are they?
Izu go enter.
See,
Not
for me
be
to
that you
enter
talk
back
because it's
to
una
that
mad
Germany,
man.
for me to
Very
enter back to Germany, I'll turn kidnapper for Nigeria. I will carry people. They think say Germany na country where I'll come back.
He said,
Don't be
go
lie,
talk to
oh.
kidnapper.
For me to come back, say I come back to Europe, guy, bro, I'm wishing them money like this.
Your 2 leg go turn to
Like I even seen I 1 month I do before police catch me, no problem. So far, I know come back to Europe. What
Go
is
just come out.
Izu say there ain't be one bottle.
I dey tell you.
One bottle.
Because Lagos, make us see what we they do for Lagos here. They say what be about.
Shut up. Ozuo. Say the joke of Lagos.
Ezijuku call me for WhatsApp 2 days ago. Call they tell me saying they Nigeria. And they tell us, oh yeah, on your camera, you know, agree on camera. Izuku, on your camera for here now.
Izu get money to that. Izu get money to that ticket.
You tell me say you did Nigeria on your camera.
I'm from Lagos. Come.
Oh yeah, on your camera.
If you be see, Izu 14 people they watch. Izu listening. 14 people they watch. All of us dey here. Izu if you on camera say you dey Nigeria, I'll do you 200k. No.
You say
Yeah,
what?
200k. Yeah.
If you on your camera say you dey Nigeria, I'll do you 200k now.
If I first send the money, give Emeka.
Me I know they talk with you. I know if you do on your
Send the
camera.
money. See, you first send the money, give Emeka, and I say I can't
Pin
give
your
Emeka.
account here. Izu pin your account.
On your camera, you go do am. You go do am.
Pin your account. I know they
You
talk.
first send the money, give Emeka.
Izu you too they talk.
Emeka,
Me
you
not the
believe?
like.
Emeka, you send the money, give you first. Man on camera.
No, you go. I believe very.
Ever do something?
I believe very guy. Go send that.
Oga do
No, not be
am.
say you believe. If okay, who will come believe me?
Oga you not dey Nigeria. You shut up. You get money to buy ticket.
I'm not there, bongos. Well, this evening I go post something. This evening. Just like
Your camera now, collect your money now.
Obonna even come Emeka live stream. Now,
see me now. So won't look by me or you will one in Nigeria.
But that last that place in our country, all of us go see go there.
My guy, Nigeria better pass Europe. More than they talk truth.
Hey, better pass it now by money now if you get money. Now.
If you get money, forest trade, guys. Sabi they do forest. Sabi they arrange your sporting well, guy. Will they get something?
No go. This much more money will land to pay you where you gather put for account. Not going to place sporty bet. Now you know you suffer.
They there like.
We think say they Germany where government they pay person. You don't know
where. Me Germany.
You don't know country where they. Country where they.
Holland, they not they pay for Holland.
Now that pay, now make una they run they go different country go.
Oga me not. Oga where me dey if you not work you not go chop.
You go work, you go say pay. Which one be they don't pay? You work for government.
Oga, are you there? So you dey Holland, government still dey pay you. But where me dey, if me not work, you know.
Who government they pay? You dey here, you dey my pocket. Wait, they no say government.
Government they pay you.
Forget that thing. Not everybody where they Holland, na government they pay. When I know they let Italian they pay.
Not everybody.
Everybody
wait, so why be say for Italy they know they pay the children?
Italy no say they exist.
This thing not be.
Italy now don't they pay children. If you
to Manda, now you go now you apply put the start to the pay your picking you.
Like how
you follow the process. If you follow the process, listen. If you follow the process, Italy pay pass Germany. Not be say math. Italy pay pass Germany. If you follow all the process,
especially if you get their documents,
you can't do asylum unico. You can't do the other one. It gets some. The other tell you say this son they pay your picking. from 80 LT from 0 to 3 years for only papas for every month. Sunday they pay am, e get another one dey be like say na 210 dey pay. If you calculate all of them, a month one pikin fit dey collect 4 something.
Oga, Germany big pass. Not there.
Oga, I dey tell you say na Italy wetin you dey tell me.
Germany big pass. That's why all of them now dey.
That's all of them they call here.
Yeah.
Those single mothers.
Eriga, why they say Germany pay? Because they will pay kinder shoe slag, they will pay kinder gate, they will pay pikin. You get one money where they pay pikin reach 3 years. Once that pikin don't pass that 3 years, they will come they pay and kinder shoe slag, they will come they pay and kinder gate, they will come they pay the pikin and phone gate where in parents.
Baby,
So
I
now you
know
make
do this thing now. You know
Now
what?
those voom gates, Olivia, now those voom gates, now they carry them, they go the
Kinder slag and kinder get the picking money. If you're a single mother, you get unterhalt or unterhalt for shoes.
All those
now
money.
now those one, now they drop them, now they drop them for
1 year, you
Lagos.
don't get that for Nigeria. Forget all those too slag. If you do farm 1 year for Nigeria, put farm. You don't get all this money.
This is Una conspiracy.
Do better farm. Tomato farm, okra farm. You don't get all those money. Sharp.
Is who never church.
Izu, you know those ones. You know, say those ones. Wait, what of about Dutch land? That one a Dutch.
Who be that?
Dutch land.
Who?
Dutch.
Who not be Deutschland?
That guy where they call Dutch for FFB.
Dutch.
Don't talk. That guy is a celebrity now. That's where they drive Benz for Italy, for Torino.
Not true, Eriga.
They Italy. They okay now. You got to do it things. They Italy.
Emeka, when is the next Padu for Munich?
That guy they drive Benz for
Baby,
Italy.
I said, when is the next Padu for Munich?
Now next year now, you will come now.
You know, say my husband enjoyed the place because he sees brothers from his village there.
No, Alan.
You see 2 people from his village and 1 guy where they with together for Greece.
I'll come Germany next year summer.
Any guy, what you see they fight, they go